Looks like Christmas came early for Mike Bluehair. The police state is merely a pile of shit, and I am but a cock that climbs upon it to crow. After uncovering a video clip showing a Phoenix police officer calling a pepperball gun a toy and predicting the use of chemical agents on protesters, the ACLU has asked for the help of the public to go through hours and hours of protest footage, and that's precisely what I did. What you're about to watch is two Phoenix Police Department sergeants joking about running a Bearcat or a bulldozer through protesters. Now bear in mind, these are supervising sergeants. Can you imagine what their subordinates talk about when no one's listening?
We're about to move the vehicles up. The whole goal of what we're doing is we want to push them a couple blocks. Grenadiers, you get to the rear.
Yeah. I'm the Bearcat for that shit. I'm moving real good.
Just need a bulldozer.
Yeah.